Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to use Padlet as our tool to be able to share our music selections with one another through the Diocese of San Jose. I've invited a couple of you to try this out as a test, and then the goal is to be able to then open it up to more and more people so that we have a really active participation base through here. So the link that you're going to receive is going to take you to a page that looks like this right here. And under it, you'll see each of the deaneries listed. And under there, you'll see a plus sign. And so what you want to do to make your parish or your school's Padlet post is to simply click on the plus sign. Then you give it a title. So I suggest we title it the name of the parish. So I'm going to say test parish here, or the name of the mission, or the name of the chapel, or whatever you're using. And then under here it says write something. Is where we're going to put our hyperlink to link us to the page on which we list our different music selections. I'm going to show you an example of what mine looks like. If I click over here, so it says click here to view weekly music selections, I'm then taken to a Google Sheet that I set up ahead of time, which is in this format. And under here, what I'm doing is essentially having the date, the type of mass that it is, and then listing each of the song selections chosen. And then for pieces like gathering and the psalm and preparation, communion and sending forth, I put a little why category where we can write like a sentence or two to justify why we're picking a particular piece or not. I'll send you a screenshot of this template as well so you can see what it looks like, so you can make your own. Once you are ready to share this into Padlet, you simply click on the share button, upper right-hand corner, and you're going to select anyone with this link can view. I'm going to select that. Then I'm going to click on copy link, and it says link copy to clipboard. Click on done. Now I'm going to go back to my tab with Padlet. I'm going to go back to the card I just made. I'm going to click on the edit button right here. Now I'm going to click on, or type in, click here to view weekly music selections. Then I'm going to highlight the whole thing. Now I'm going to click on the little link button that's up here. It's going to say enter URL. I'm going to paste into here. So right click and go to paste, or Control V. And then I'm going to click on link. Now if I click out of the box, you'll see that you have an active hyperlink present here. When you click on it, it gets taken over to the page that you just shared. Now the important thing is to make sure that your sharing option is on view only, because if it's not, then anybody that clicks on that link and is taken to your page would be able to edit it in some sort of way. So once you have it up there, then anytime you make an edit to this Google Sheet, it'll be automatically updated so that anybody who clicks and views the link here will be able to see the most recent version of what you have.